Okay, for advanced users, we suppose study Kircsch algorithm master to modeling of near wellbore space at any depth. For example, let's will be use any depth and build near wellbore space model. You can use your input parameters and build stereo nets, radial section, circular section. The stereo nets can be used for building of sigma RR, radial stress, sigma theta theta, hoop stress, and sigma ZZ, axial stress. If you want, you can change palettes. You can change step of stereo net. Yes, step of azimuth. Okay, you can use own parameters, change, for example, maximum horizontal stress, minimum horizontal stress, add another parameter to observe sensitivity of input data on your stress distribution. Okay, for example, we change SHMax azimuth and we observe rotation of stresses near wellbore space, etc. You can change well radius, for example. Yes. Also, you can see that a radial section distribution. This is hoop stress, radial stress, axial stress, sigma T max, sigma T min, sigma min, etc. You can set font as you will like. Increase font for graphs, data, legend, set curves, increase the thickness, change color, switch on off, switch or switch on curve. Also, you can copy in your report or presentation. Okay, for copy please use this button, paste and crop. Also, you can export this in the table data and use it in your XLS project. Okay, please save it in your tree-like structure and don't forget the project.